friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this super easy yet super cute and trendy earring, and for this we will need these golden beads, these white beads, these plastic rings and a earring hook, this brass wire and these tools, a cutter and a plier. So let's start. First of all, take this ring and brass wire, cut required length of wire. Now insert a white bead and a golden bead and fold this wire to make a loop. Similarly, make all the dangling part with these oval rings. Now after making all the dangling part, take this earring hook and straighten up this bent part of this earring hook to insert all the dangling part and beads. Now insert two golden beads and all the dangling part in the same sequence as the earring we have made earlier, like this. So here first is green one, this, then another two golden beads, then this yellow, and this orange, again two golden beads and this pink one, two golden beads and this purple one, and in end two more golden beads. Now again bend this part, this end, to close this hook. And our earring is ready. So hope you like these earrings, and if you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. I'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.